So did you know if you have your rigs at a hosting facility inside Octominers, you're supposed to actually go into your HiveOS dashboard and recalibrate these fans so it actually communicates with the temperature in the surrounding facility? I didn't know it either, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in this video, and I'm gonna explain to you why it's actually important. All right, so you guys can see right here, this is my mining rig farm, right? This is all my GPUs, all down to Terra hosting, and they were all on the other day. I actually did just shut off my AMD cards because they're just really not profitable, especially with everything going down at this current moment. So I got my RX 580s off, but everything else is up and running. I got my 1660s here, and I got a bunch of 30 series cards here, some A2000s. But I've noticed my X12B right here, which is my 3080 rig. Well, I have 3080 Ti, 3080, A4000. These rigs have been struggling lately, or cards rather, have been struggling lately inside this rig. More or less, I've noticed the little fire emoji, right? Things get too hot. This one's kicking up to like 74 degrees, and obviously that has to do with the temperature outside and yada yada. But right here, I'm like trying to figure out what the hell to do. And I remember vaguely the Mining King mentioning this on a Saturday Night Live, and he actually said something about recalibrating your fans. Now, if you come down here to the advanced setting after you're in the Octominer tab up here, and you go down a little bit, you can see spin up the fans to max speed for 30 seconds to recalibrate it. So the recalibration tool actually helps your rigs adapt to a brand new environment, basically like a hosting facility, and it actually increases efficiency and all that. So let me show you guys a few like key pointers as to why that's important. Temperature adjustments. Different locations have different ambient temperatures. When you move your rig, the temperature it operates in might change significantly. Recalibrating allows the rig to adjust its cooling mechanism, fan speed, and temperature threshold to optimize performance and prevent overheating or underperformance, which is something that I've been experiencing. Power optimization. Climate variance can also affect power consumption. For instance, in colder climates, rigs might require more power to maintain optimal temperatures, while in warmer climates, they might need less. Recalibrating helps the rig adjust its power settings to achieve the best balance between performance and energy efficiency in the new environment. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a cheap ass, and anything that I can do to power optimize my rigs is definitely a go. Stability enhancement. Changes in environmental factors like humidity and air quality can impact the stability of your mining rigs. Recalibrating ensures that the rig's hardware and software settings are tuned to maintain stability and prevent crashes or other issues caused by environmental changes. Sign me up. Algorithm optimization. Different mining algorithms may perform differently in various climates or location due to the factors like temperature and humidity. Recalibrating allows the rig to fine-tune its algorithmic settings to maximize mining efficiency and profitability in the new environment. All right, now after listening to all of that, what happens if I don't want to do this? Overheating or cooling problems. Without recalibration, your rigs may continue to operate based on its previous environmental settings. This could lead to overheating if the new location has higher ambient temperatures or inadequate cooling. Conversely, if the new location is cooler, the rig may not optimize its cooling mechanisms, potentially leading to inefficient operation or even damage to the components. Great. Power consumption inefficiency. Different climates and locations may require adjustment to power settings for optimal performance and energy efficiency. Without recalibration, your rigs may consume more power than necessary in colder climates or less power than required in warmer climates, leading to an increased operational cost or reduced profitability. And that's not what we're going for here. Stability issues. Environmental factors such as humidity and air quality can affect the stability of mining rigs. Without recalibration, your rigs may experience stability issues such as crashes, freezes, or other malfunctions due to mismatches between its operating parameters and the new environment. Boo! Suboptimal mining performance. Mining algorithms may perform differently in various climates or locations. Without recalibration, your rig may not adjust its algorithmic setting to maximize mining efficiency and profitability in the new environment, resulting in suboptimal performance or reduced mining rewards. Yeah, so let's go fix this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is stop the miner, and then we're going to run this recalibration setting and then restart it. Okay, miner stopped. Let's go to the advanced settings and recalibrate. Octofan recalibrating now. And I'm going to change this back to 80 and apply that. All right, so case fans recalibrated successfully and Octofan config applied. That was me changing the minimum fan speed to 80 instead of 90. Now I'm just going to restart the miner. All right, so that seems to have worked flawlessly. Everything's back up and running. It looks exactly the same hash rate, same kilowatts, but it's nice to see my external fans now at 80 instead of 90. And obviously as these cards get hotter, it will adjust the temp. So target core temp, I'm going to change that to 65 actually, because I don't want that to be at 70. That's crazy. And then hopefully it'll ramp up these fans as needed and go from there. But again, the entire thing behind this is to make sure my rigs are functioning properly and I'm not wasting any energy, right? Because wasting energy is obviously not good. And two, you want the fan sensors. I mean, if you guys can see down here, this intake and exhaust sensors, you want these things to be up to date basically, right? So you want them to be able to communicate properly with your machine and not what they were used to back when you guys first started it up in your garage or in your basement or wherever you actually did at your house. So that's going to do it. Hopefully you guys appreciated this video, and I hope this helped a lot of you guys out, because I'm going to monitor this and hopefully this rig gets a little bit better and doesn't give me like any more shit. But I guess I'm gonna have to find out. Obviously only time will tell. You guys have a great, fantastic day. If you appreciated this content, go down there, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.